Welcome back to my channel Lifestyle with Fozia waheed. So friends, in this video you will see the unboxing of beautiful perfume chichi, which is by sapil. This is actually a Valentine's Day gift for me from my husband. So I am opening this perfume, and I will also mention the notes and the projection of this perfume, and also about ranking. So its packaging is awesome, very nice. The pinky hard box and the website is written on this box. Everything which is mentioned at the top of the box and the back side and the corner sides. This is a transparent pinkish and purplish color bottle with 150 ml free dew. Here are the notes. I will mention everything. This is floral, fruity in top notes, and sweet and fresh also. Aldehydes in middle notes, and the best notes it is related to the musk. And you will see the awesome quality packaging. And the bottle is also very nice. I really like this bottle. It has a heavy metal cap and the decent transparent bottle. So first I will try this chichi deodorant. This perfume was launched in 2005, and this is a ladies perfume. The spray is very hard, it's not coming out. I will give rating the 9.5 out of 10 because this is perfect, long lasting, good fragrance, and the bottle projection and the materials very also high. That's why this is perfect gift for your loved ones also. So I really like the sapil deodorant because when I opened the lid of this deodorant, the fragrance coming out so nicely. And I will must say that it perfume has jasmine touch also. You will see the logo written on the top of the bottle and the top of the lid by sapil. So friends, if you like my videos, give thumbs up and please like, share and subscribe my channel, and let me know comment section below that which kind of videos you want to see. So guys, please do comments. This is a perfect combo of perfume and a deodorant also. Its presence is very nice, and the main thing, they have mentioned everything on the box, and this scenery is looking so beautiful. It has lots of flower combination outside the box, and you will see the expiry date also, and everything in detail mentioned on the box. So friend, this is a made in UAE as I previously mentioned in the video. So I really like this box and the perfume also.